Ever notice your selfies look flipped on your iPhone camera? In this video, I'll show you how to turn the inverted camera on or off in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can quickly find it by swiping down from the top of the screen and searching for Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Camera. Now, scroll down again until you find the option called Mirror Front Camera. If this option is turned off, your selfies will appear the way other people see you in real life. But if you turn it on, your selfies will look the same way you see yourself in a mirror. Most people prefer the mirror view because it feels more natural, so simply tap the switch to turn it on. That's it. Your iPhone front camera will no longer look inverted the next time you take a selfie. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.